Hello everybody, today's maths video is Year 6 Sats, Paper 1, Arithmetic, Part 1. You will be needing a pen and a piece of paper. After each question, please pause the video and attempt the question, then press play to see the working out and solution. So, let's get to the video. So this is our first question. Please pause the video. So we can work this question out mentally without using the column method. So the answer to this question will be 6,090. This is the second question. We will be using the column method for this. So we will write the numbers underneath each other like so. Right, okay, so 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 7 is 15, remembering that one, this one here, 2 plus nothing plus 1 is 3, 8 plus nothing is 8, and the answer to that is 8,357. So for this question, we can see that 800 plus something plus 6 is 826. So we can see that the 6 here and the 6 here, so we can cross them out. We've already got that. The 800 here and 800 here in the hundreds column. Now we have a 2 left in the tens column, meaning that we need to add 20 to make this correct. For this question, it is something plus 5 equals 341. We can use inverse operations. So 341 minus 5. So what would be the answer to that? The answer, 336. Good. Next question. 9 times 41. So, 41 times 9. Okay. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. And the answer, 369. Next. So this is an addition question. We need to make sure that we'll make the decimal points align with each other. So 3.123, 5.87. You can see that all the points are in one line. And this is the way you're going to get the correct answer. So we can put a 0 here because make it easy for us to work out. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Putting in the decimal place, 5 plus 3 is 8. Next question. 180 divided by 3. Some people can work this out mentally, but I prefer to do the bus stop method for this. So, 180 divided by 3. So, how many 3's go in 1? Well, we can't do this, putting a 0 here, carrying over the 1. How many 3's in 18? Well, we've got 6, and 0, we'll just write 0 like that. So the answer is 60. 120 divided by 12. Well, this can be easily worked out mentally, as we know that 12 times 10 is 120. But if you're unsure, you can still use the bus stop method for this. Same as before, 120 divided by 12. because this is double digits, well, there's no 12s in 1, so 0, carrying over the 12. How many 12s in 12? Well, that goes once, and the 0, 10. Question 9. Well, there's not really working out for this, as we know any number times by 0 is 0. So you can just get a simple and easy mark. 91 divided by 7. We will use the bus stop method for this. 91 divided by 7. How many 7s in 9? 1, with a remainder of 2. So carrying over 2. How many 7s in 21? We know that 3 times 7 is 21. So the answer to that is 13. Next question. So we've got something equals 87 minus 65. So what we'll be doing, we'll be using the column method. 87 minus 65. Okay? 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 6 is also 2. So the answer is 22. So for this question, we'll be doing 602 minus something is 594. Well, to work this out, we can do 602 minus 594 to get the answer. So 602 minus 594. So the first thing we do, 2 minus 4. Well, we can't do this because 4 is bigger than 2. So we'll have to carry 1 over to make this 12. But this number is 0. So there's nothing that we can carry over. So we will cross out the 6, make it a 5. And we'll carry the 1 over to make this 10. Now we will cross this out. So we're borrowing 1 for this one. Make this in 12. And the 10, if you minus 1, will be 9. So 12 minus 4, what is that? That is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we worked out that 602 minus 8 equals 594. 1210 divided by 11. So we can use the bus stop method again for this one. You should be getting something that looks like this. 11, how many 11s in 1? Well, 0, carrying the 1 over, making it 12. How many 11s in 12? There's only 1, and there'll be a remainder of 1. How many 11s in 11? There's only 1. How many 11s in 0? Well, it's nothing, so answer 110. For this question, we can either write it out like this and timesing it by 10, and then putting the point in at the end, or we can do this mentally. As we know, 25.34 times 10. When we times something by 10, we move the decimal place along 1 point to the right. So the answer would be 253.4. But if you've worked it out like this, it would be 0 times 4, 0, 0 times 3, 0, 0 times 5, 0, 0 times 2, 0, put in a 0 to work out the next number, 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 5, 5, 2 times 1, 2. Now, the question here was 25.34, so that's 2 decimal places in. And if we put in a decimal place, move along 2 places, put the point here, and the answer would be 253.4. For this question, we will need to use BIDMAS. B standing for brackets, I indices, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. So here we'll be using the B brackets. 30 minus 24 is 6. Then we are going to be doing the division because there aren't any indices. 60 divided by 6 is 10. Remember to do the brackets first, or your answer won't be correct. So, thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, share and subscribe for part 2.